Hello children! In the previous video, we learned to compare fractions of objects through some interesting examples. In this video, we will learn about some misconceptions related to this. This time, there has been a very good crop in the fields of Babban, Bunny and Chanda. The three of them thought, why don't they collect some of their respective crops and together make something delicious? There are 100 corns grown in Babban's field, 30 carrots are grown in Bunny's field, and 70 tomatoes are grown in Chanda's field. Babban said he would give 1/5 of his corn. Bunny said he would give half of his carrots, and Chanda said she would give 1/7 of her tomatoes. The three gathered their vegetables and made a delicious dish from them. Now, when it came to distributing the dish, Bunny said that because half is more than 1/5 and 1/7, he should get half of that dish. But Babban is saying that he has given the most vegetables. Therefore, he should get the largest part of the dish. Children, who do you think is right, Babban or Bunny? If we only compare fractions, we will find that Bunny is right, because half is greater than 1/5 and 1/7. But here, these are different items whose quantity is also different. Like half of 30 carrots, 1/5 of 100 corns, and 1/7 of 70 tomatoes. The amount of vegetables of Babban, Bunny and Chanda are different. Therefore, we cannot tell who has given more vegetables by just comparing the fractions. So, what shall we do now? To solve the confusion between the three of them, we have to find out the number of vegetables given by each of them. Here, the total quantity and share of vegetables grown in the crops of Babban, Bunny and Chanda is written. Can you find the number of vegetables given by all three from these parts? If you want, you can stop the video and find the answer. Well done children, you have found the right answer. Babban gave 1/5 of 100 or 20 vegetables. Bunny gave half of 30 or 15 vegetables, and Chanda gave 1/7 of 70 or 10 vegetables. Babban has said the right thing. He has given the most vegetables for the dish. Therefore, he should get the largest part of the dish. Babban explained this to Bunny and Chanda in the same way, and both of them understood. But Babban said that he does not want the biggest share. The three together happily shared equal portions of the dish and ate it with fun. Children, keep in mind that we can compare fractions of two objects only if the wholes of those objects are the same. As we know, the fraction half fraction is more than the fraction 1/5. But if we talk about 1/5 of 100, which is equal to 20, and half of 30, which is equal to 15, then we can see that half of 30 is smaller than 1/5 of 100. Because their wholes are not the same. Therefore, to compare fractions, we must pay attention to fractions as well as their whole. Children, in this video, we learned about some misconceptions related to comparing fractions of objects.